Hi, everybody. It's Grandpa Ken Elmo here, and just wanted to read another quick story for our Sesame Street week, and that starts May 24th and goes for 5 days. The shapes of things to eat. Listen, children, while I sing about those how I'm going to eat, those different shapes of things for lunch here on Sesame Street, says Big Bird. Going to start right in with a birdseed sandwich, made on tasty rye. Then top it off with a birdseed cookie and a piece of birdseed pie. The shape of the sandwich is a square. The cookie is a circle. The piece of pie is a triangle, and 3 different shapes, all things to eat, here on Sesame Street. Come and join us, kiddos. Parents, you're welcome too, you know. We love him. Remember, kiddos, be safe out there. And remember, it's Grandpa Ken's Reading Time on YouTube.